Today we want to demonstrate showing how durable the Hi-Tech Spall TX3 holds up to impact and abuse that would happen on industrial slabs and in different polished concrete floors. The repair, if you can see right here, kind of outline it with my hand, that is TX3 mixed with 2.5 parts of sand and white Portland cement. We also seeded in some local aggregate. So we're going to take a hammer here today and just show how durable these urethanes really are. Then we'll move over to the concrete over here. This concrete slab here scratches around a 6.5 to 7 on the Mohs hardness scale. So just kind of to reiterate, the TX3 mixed with sand and cement, great polishable repair, also extremely durable to impact resistance and heavy transitional loads.